And the LG V30 both have image stabilization on the primary lenses. It's raining a little bit. Both of these phones are waterproof too. Both have some pretty fantastic specs under the hood, but how do they stack up when it comes to nighttime low light photography? You can probably see very little on screen right now. I'm going to get right close in on these chains, tap on them, and we can test out low light focus. Get a little bit closer still, and you can see that the iPhone seems to be getting a bit closer, but both seem to be locking on in spite of the nighttime scene, which is really good because most phones have real issues focusing in low light. The iPhone has continuous autofocus. You have the option to turn on autofocus lock on the LG V30. Right, at its widest angle, the LG V30 goes super wide. At its narrowest angle, the iPhone goes super narrow, 2 times zoom, so 120-degree wide angle versus that 2 times zoom. Let's flick back to the main cameras though, because these are the ones with optical image stabilization, and we can test out some exposure shifting. Point up at the light and point down at the ground. Up at the light, and it doesn't even seem to be shifting. On the V30 I can make out some rain. The V30 actually looks a little bit better. The iPhone is having some focus issues by the looks of things, but I can't really tell for sure. Gonna have to wait until we get this off these screens, one AMOLED, one IPS, or one OLED, and you can let me know what you think in the comment section below. You can also let me know what you hear. Now we've got a Burger King in the distance. Let's test out the zoom. So start by zooming in on the iPhone. That is a 6 times zoom, tapping on the Burger King, and I'm going to do exactly the same on the LG V30, and you can see that the V30 seems to be a lot crispier if what's going on screen is anything to go by, but it's holding it all much steadier. So very similar to the good light performance using that second lens. So what the iPhone does is it uses the second lens when recording the full HD video. Looks like it only uses the primary lens when recording 4K video. Goes to full 6 times zoom with 1080p video, whereas it's only a 3 times zoom with a 4K video. If you missed the 4K iPhone sample, check that out as well. If you've got any questions about the phone, we've got both of these in for the next couple of days. We'll be testing them pretty extensively. Let me know what you want to see and I will do my best to cover it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, found it useful. Any videographers out there will be able to gauge which phone you want as your next primary phone, or indeed if you're going to wait for the all-expensive iPhone X. Thanks for watching BTech.